In this video, I will show you how to pin posts or reels to your Instagram profile and also how to unpin them, especially if you don't have the pin to profile option shown or enabled on your Instagram account. So this is following the recent changes that Instagram made to its platform of altering accessibility of certain settings. So normally when you want to pin a post to your profile on Instagram, you open your Instagram, log into your Instagram account, and then you click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner. And then you select the post on your profile grid that you'd like to pin, and then you click on the three dots at the top right corner, and then you'd see an option to pin to profile. And it would be the same for unpinning. You'd just have to click on the three dots at the top right corner of the post, and then you'd see an option to unpin. But as of now, the pin to profile option on Instagram has been altered and you can only access it differently. So what happens now is when you go to your Instagram account and then you go to your profile, so when you select the post that you like to pin and then you click on the three dots at the top right corner as before, you can no longer see an option of pin to profile. And that is the same case for unpinning. And therefore, as of now, there are only two ways through which you can access the pin to your profile option on Instagram. And the first method is for you to switch your account from a professional account back to a personal account. And to do so, you click on your profile icon at the bottom right corner on Instagram, and then you click on the three dash menu at the top right corner. So from there, you'll be able to access the settings menu. So under that, you navigate to creator tools and controls, and then you scroll down to switch account type, and then you switch to personal account. So after that, then you can go back to your Instagram profile, and then you can select the post that you like to pin. Then after selecting the post, you click on the three dots at the top right corner of the post, and then from there you will have an option to pin to your profile. And that is the same scenario of unpinning. You just click on the three dots at the top right corner, then unpin. So the other second method through which you can pin or unpin posts to your profile on Instagram is for you to go to your Instagram profile. So on your profile grid, you're going to long press on the post that you'd like to pin to your profile, and then you slide your finger or thumb to the three dots at the bottom right corner of your post, and then you release your finger or thumb, and at the bottom you'll have an option of pin to your profile, and then you click on it, and in that way you'll be able to pin your post to your profile. So to unpin, you still long press on the pinned post, and then you slide your finger or thumb to the three dots at the bottom right corner of the post, and then you release your finger and then select unpin from profile. So those are the two options available. Thanks for watching, subscribe, and see you in the next one.